Tackling spring cleaning can seem like a real challenge. This can feel especially true if you're getting your home ready to sell this spring or summer. Beloved, spring is in the air. Like most people, you're probably wondering where to start. That's why I'm here today with an easy-to-follow spring cleaning checklist that will get your place to shine in no time. The first thing you want to think of is making your home feel more inviting. Start by opening the blinds and curtains, allowing that natural spring light to fill your space. Speaking of light, next go room to room and check all the light bulbs. You want to replace any of those that are dim or don't work anymore. Next, take down your personal items and photos. I know they are precious to your family, but those prospective buyers don't want to see them. Your next big picture task is to show that your home is well cared for. What do I mean by that? Begin by working on those often overlooked places, like cleaning your vents and baseboards. That can make an enormous difference. Your countertops, cabinets, and closets need to be decluttered and organized. After decluttering your home, vacuum, Swiffer, and sweep your floors. Next, it's important to fix anything around your house that is broken and service your mechanical systems. You know those scuffs on the walls you've learned to ignore? It's time to make those go away with either a good scrub or a fresh coat of paint. Lastly, and maybe most importantly, you need to ensure that your home gives a good first impression. That's right, I'm talking about curb appeal. Look outside. You can do a lot to boost your curb appeal in no time at all. In just one spring weekend, you can power wash surfaces, clean windows both inside and out, and tidy up the landscaping. Consider working on improving the look of your entryway and sweep patios, decks, and walkways of any debris. This may seem like a long, exhaustive list, but really for most people, this is just getting started. There may be additional to-do items for your specific home. To find out what else you may need to tackle, let's connect so we can ensure that your home shows well this season. I'm Youssef, your local Seattle realtor, and I look forward to working with you.